Hi, now let's try to see what basic functions or basic arithmetic functions in Excel are. So these are the frequently used arithmetic functions in Excel, that is additive functions, subtraction, multiplication, division, and power. So the standard symbols for them are right over here. Just make sure that you know this power function, that is the caps. Using this you will be able to calculate the square roots, cube roots, or the squares and cubes of any number as well. Now, how do we define or perform this arithmetic operations in Excel? We have many different methods to perform these operations. You can go with, like, first method for this could be, say, you are directly just adding 35 and plus 55 in a particular cell. This could be one method. Other method for this could be like you are selecting it by reference, that is A7 cell and A8 cell, and just giving an operator in between. That could be one method. Third method could be like you want to add a cell and then add a unique integer value or a float value to it. So in that case, what you would do is A7 plus A8 plus 100. So you are adding a constant to the numbers which are stored in A7 and A8 cell. The different other methods could be like the sum function. So we have predefined functions as well here in Excel. So how does this functions in Excel work? We'll try to see that, as well as how to make a generalized formula for that, and use that generalized formula in table as well. So let's just go ahead and try to perform different type of additive basic functions in Excel. So now let's try to see how the different types of methods are there to perform basic functions or basic arithmetic in Excel. So say, for example, the first method which we know is we can just simply write equals to and perform, say, 55 plus 33, 22. So that could be 77. So you just need to write equals to and give the operator and write the other number which you want to add to it. And similarly, you will get the sum of the two numbers. Now, say, for example, if you want to add this number and this number in this particular cell, so you will just have to write equals to, then select this particular cell, give an addition symbol, select this particular cell, hit enter, you will get 99. So 45 plus 54 is 99. Now, say third method, in the third method, say, for example, if you want to add these two numbers, that is C6 plus C7, and to this you want to add a third number, that is 100. So you just need to write a constant number directly with the reference points and hit 100 and hit enter. So by that you could get 199. That is the sum of 45, 54 and 100. Now let us check if how to use the sum function in Excel, which is a predefined functions, and we'll be going through many of this predefined sum functions in Excel. 40% of the time we use predefined functions to get through our work in Excel. So for that, this might be a very useful method for you. So now let's say a case that I want to have addition of all the numbers present in this particular range. So right from this G6 to G14, I want to perform addition of all the numbers. So for that, I could just write equals to, write sum. So as soon as you write equals to and sum, you get all the suggestion names of the function, what are they related to sum. Just select the sum function, hit tab for this, then select the particular cell, your starting cell, give a colon and select the stopping cell, like wherever you want to stop. That is, we wanted to add a sum from G6 to G14. You just have to write this, give, like, close your round brackets, hit enter. So that would give you 125. That is the sum of 100, 1, 2, 4, 4, 3, 1, 8, 2. Now say for example, now I want to perform some kind of arithmetic in which I want to like subtract all the sum of these numbers, all adding this number, subtracting the value of the sum of all these numbers with 100. So for that, without writing actually the numbers, with using the reference points and the sum function, so what I could do is I could just write equal to, I could select my cell, then I need to calculate the sum. So this subtraction is for subtraction. We want to perform the difference, and then you need to perform sum from like this cell, that is C7 till C14. So for that we'll write sum, SUM, hit tab to complete it, select the starting point of the range, give a colon, select the ending point, close the brackets, hit enter. So this is 75. So the sum of all these numbers was 25, subtracted from 100, that is 75. So this is how, again, a method which you can use for taking sum, that again comes under your basic arithmetic. Now let's see one more method, that is our fifth method, in which we want to know what is like how to calculate the sum for this and this column. So I want to calculate 25 minus 34, 23 minus 24, 42 minus 23, 34 minus 42. I want to perform this kind of operation. So how will I calculate this? I'll just hit equals, I'll just select the cell, and I'll just select whatever the cell I want to subtract it, hit enter to this. So 25 minus 34, I got 9 minus 9. And if you want to generalize this, you just have to select from the right corner and drag it down. So you got all the differences all together, 23, 24, minus 1, 42 minus 23, 19. So this is how you can again perform your operation on two different columns, that is, you can use values from two different columns. So you just have to drag from right corner wherever you must have defined the formula for it, and just select it till the position of the row till where you have to perform the operation. Now we have one more method, that is a method in which we get a column. So this was the method in which we had tables. So if for example, if this data we have in a form of table like this, I have shown you over here, and if you write it directly a formula over here by specifying equals to, select column 1, subtract, select column 2, hit enter. So this automatically calculates the values of difference for all the rows of the particular column and automatically assigns the title to it as well. So this is the advantage of your tables, and this is how you perform arithmetic in Excel in table as well. So these were few of the methods, like these were the 6 general methods for performing any kind of arithmetic. Now you just have to perform use different functions for this in Excel. So if you want to perform difference, you can like use subtraction sign symbol. If you want to have multiplication, you could use asterisk for that. For division, slash. For power, you can use caps. Okay, so we will try to see more functions of this as well in this particular slide. So say for example, we have to calculate power and square of some numbers. So what's the symbol or the sign which we have for calculating the power? That is the caps. So by using caps in between your reference, that is, you can see A1 over there, and since you want to calculate square of it, you could just use 2 over there. Otherwise, if you want to calculate the root of it, like if you want to calculate root of any number which is present in your cell, so for that you could just mention that cell and give the symbol of